How to fix Telus doorbell camera flashing red and green. If your Telus doorbell camera is flashing red and green, follow these steps to resolve it. First of all, reset the doorbell. Perform a factory reset by holding the reset button until the LED flashes in a new pattern. Refer to the manual for exact instructions. After that, reconnect to Wi-Fi. Ensure the doorbell is connected to the correct 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network. Update network settings if necessary. Use the Skybell app. If compatible, manage and reconnect your doorbell using the Skybell app, which may help resolve connectivity issues. Then check for interference. Eliminate physical or electronic obstructions that could interfere with the Wi-Fi signal between the router and the doorbell. After that, ensure proper power supply. Verify the doorbell is receiving adequate power as insufficient power can cause malfunctions. And finally, contact Telus support. If the issue persists, reach out to Telus for further troubleshooting or replacement options. By following these steps, you should resolve the flashing red and green light issue and restore proper functionality.